Wow. This is crazy. What? It's so quiet in here. Bloody hell. Wow. Look how high the ceiling is. Jesus.
Oh, it's beautiful in here.
Bloody hell.
I know where me and you get our group photo, mate.
Yeah, man. I just realised I got a slipstream.
That's the photo of 28 days later.
Is it?
You know, two guys standing in that big
Yeah.
hole. That's that.
Bloody... Wow. This is phenomenal.
Have you got your bean?
Oh, I left that in the car. Shit. I've got a hat light, but I don't think that's really working. This is crazy. Yeah, man. Is that just foam?
Big foam. Right. Goes on out the back.
Does it?
It's pretty good.
Whoa. I need a wide angle lens.
Blimey.
This, oh, what date is that paper? 2006, there we go. Blimey. Whoa.
Mate, this is brilliant.
Oh, I know. Whoa.
Oh,
Can I borrow your torch?
We're quite high up, aren't we?
This is bananas. It's quite surprising, really, when you think like how long this building would have taken to build. It is. See, that head's outside.
Let's go and look at one. Let's go and see if there's more building.
Might be alarmed or locked from the outside, to be honest. So.
I want to know how they get up that weird room on the side.
Oh, I think there's doors underneath it, wasn't there? So.
That'd be a good photo from there.
Yeah.
You'll be able to pick both us up sitting in there with perfect light.
Nice. Oh, you got your tripod as well, haven't you?
Huh?
You got your tripod as well, haven't you? Ooh. 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 It's the breeze as well which comes through here.
Weird, isn't it?
It's odd.
Okay, then how on earth do you get up? Oh, maybe the stairs on the roof.
Yes.
Up the roof.
Yeah, let's go out there. bit windy, isn't it? I don't know. Looks like an old engineering room. Odd. But we can't get into it, so... Nah, fuck that. Nearly.
You say it does have a little crack, doesn't it?
Nothing massive, really. Yeah.
Ah, so that's what that was. You know, on the flat roof, I just see a ladder come down. But
Oh yeah.
I thought that was nothing.
We found a door, but I don't know if it's open. Doodly-doodly-doo. Oh! Oh no. Bugger. Nope, it's got a bolt. This place just keeps giving and giving. Fucking hell. Oh. Ladies? Ah. That's cool.
Oh, there you go, that's how you get into this.
Shall we try? Oh, ho, ho. What's up there?
It's the platform.
I think 90% of this video is just going up the stairs. Don't knock that, cause... look at that. Nice.
Just gonna keep an eye.
Wow.
Wow.
Nice. Let me just get some.
Incredible.
Yeah. That's a good explore, to be honest.
Yeah, that was probably the only patrol for the next 3 or 4 hours now.
Yeah.
In this weather.
That's crazy.
We've just done his rounds, didn't see two guys standing on the top floor looking.
No, we weren't there, man. What are you talking about? Booyah. What? Wow.
It went red, eh?
No. Hello, moo cows. There's only more down there, are there? Nope. Oh, this is interesting. Please, we mean you no harm.
Ooh, there's lights on down there.
I think it's just the car pulling away, isn't it? That's crazy.
Get a slap up the arse.
I didn't realise. Oh, they got tags in their ears. Or
Good point. I haven't looked. It's a nice shot, though, isn't it?
yeah.
If this was sunrise, it was all misty and.
Oh man. Oh, they've
sky.
got. Yeah, this is common land, so yeah, they've got a tag in their ear. Hello, boy. I'll go. I'll go. Hello, go. Oh. So today we've seen a gormless security guard,
A cow.
a cow, 3 cows down there,
You saw a deer earlier.
a deer, and
The rest of this derelict site. So
yeah, well,
quite a
quite a,
explore, really, isn't it?
yeah, quite good.